watch this. Oh. Come on, peoples.
Did it pop?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Hey, do you guys
Holy
have? Do
crap.
any of you have a lighter?
No, why would I put the lighter?
So then we can burn we can burn a hole from so then it.
Let's go this way.
Let's go get more. Let's go get another one. Should we?
We need a water. Water.
No, get a soda too. Get a soda.
But they're my sodas. Who
Okay.
cares? Just get it. Come on.
Just go. Do it for the
You'll have one
fans.
more.
Do it for the fans.
I won't.
Do it for the fans.
Do it for the fans, dude.
Do it for
Oh,
the
I only
fans.
have two left. Come on. Go. Those away.
We're just heading off to get another one.
Should I bring some matches?
Huh?
No.
Get what?
Matches. No.
Just get one.
So you can see, that's one of our friends' house.
That's
I
my
know.
house. That's my cousin's house.
See? That's his cousin's house.
I already been in YouTube. So guys, shout out to me. Wait,
Johan
but-
Vasquez.
No.
Or Jonathan. The video
Shout
maker.
out. Oh! The floor is hot.
Subscribe and like. And also go to Johan's YouTube channel,
Mine.
which is
Wave
Wave Light.
21. Or Wave Light Swag. Yeah. Yeah. What kind of shirt is that?
Comment me if you know how to spell Wave Light. You said nobody knows how to spell Wave Light.
Mostly no one. I meant mostly no one. Most. You don't.
I do.
How?
WAVELITE.
No.
Yeah, it is. That's how you spell it.
WAVELITE.
T-E. That's how I spelled it.
I don't know.
T-E.
Let's go
WAVELITE. Light.
Alright, guys, we're going to just keep doing that. He's coming back.
It's coming back, guys.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake. Well, watch this, guys.
Shake it a lot. Shake it a lot.
Yeah,
And then open it.
Holy cow, guys, look. Look at all that foam.
Oh.
And now, blast it up in the air. Shake, shake. And then we're gonna blast it up in the air. Pew! And
Ready,
guys, it might go flying.
Woo! Let's do
First,
it.
we're gonna see something. Let's see if it explodes up.
Alright, let's go.
No, put it on the floor.
Oh!
Holy cow, did you see that, guys? Oh my god.
Oh my! Oh! So leave it.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, guys.
It's time to pop it now. I told you to go get one of those lighters. The
You mean matches?
yeah, matches. Told you to
Okay,
get
guys,
one.
ready? I'm gonna throw this up. Wait. Damn. That was cool.
I know.
Yeah. Over here.
It was sparkly.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still
Ready?
recording.
Ready, guys?
Wait, car.
Guys, let's see if it passes a little throw.
It won't pop.
Guys, wall ball challenge. This is me. Ah. Well, guys, I failed a lot.
No. Ooh, that was good.
Okay, guys, ready? Time for the
Let's do
one
it.
ball explosion.
Do this side.
Oh, Sebastian, guys.
Sebastian!
Get up.
What you doing? Did I let you play outside?
Show him. Show him.
Look at that. Do it for the fans, bro. Can I show you? Can I do it? Do it for the fans.
Ready? We'll throw it up. What do you mean? Dude, we're gonna throw
Fans.
it up.
Our fans.
John. Oh.
Did it pop?
Oh. Oh. Give me some. Give me some.
So.
Oh my God! Look at the cow.
Oh.
That was sick. Dang, where'd the other piece of the cow go? Wait, the cat broke? Did Dennis go home?
Does he let you play with friends?
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Like me?
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
So I can ride the hoverboard?
Sick.
But I can't right now. I'm bare feet.
Go where?
Can they come?
Where?
No, if you let them, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the other piece.
I know.
There's the other piece.
Okay, guys. There's the hoverboard one last time. Oh, here's the piece and it broke right here. Guys, it's a Johan ride it, guys. Can Johan ride it, guys?
Okay.
Guys, he needs help. Oh, snap, guys, he got on.
I'm on. I rode this hoverboard before. I bet this is your fourth time.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.
Subscribe.
Please subscribe or else I'll track you down and kill you.
Wait. Shout out to my YouTube channel. Shout out, okay?